Hello, welcome to postuploader.com. Today I will guide you how you can make the text bold, italic and underline in WordPress, Gutenberg blog editor and classic editor. This feature is very helpful for SEO purpose, and even if you want to make your blog more attractive, this is very important. So, okay, start. Firstly, I am going to visit my website dashboard. I am making the dashboard little bit zoom. So I am going to open the post section, all post. Okay, now I am on my website post page. I want to open this test post in block editor. Firstly, I will show you in block editor. After that, I will show you in classic editor. So opening this post in block editor. Fine. I want to make this is a bold sentence. This is italic sentence. This is underline sentence. So this is the three sentence. I want to make one sentence is bold, another is italic, another is underline. Perfect. So how I can do it? So which sentence or which word you want to make bold, just select that sentence or select that word, and above in Gutenberg you will get a box like this. So after selection there you will find a B. So select on, click on that B, or if you want to make it with the keyboard you can just click on Control B. That also work same. So I am clicking on B. You see right now it's the bold. If I want to make it unbold, how I can do it? Same way, just select that sentence and click on B. This time I will do it with the keyboard, just clicking on Control B, unbold. If I want to make just this bold, word bold, how I can do it? Just select that word and click on B, it will be bold. If I want to make this as a bold, just select that word and keyboard Control plus B, it's bold. Now I will show you how you can make the sentence or word italic. Same, you just select that sentence. Above you will find I icon, that means italic. Just click there, your sentence will be italic. I am making it zoom. Okay. So this is italic. If I want to make unitalic, how I can do it? Same. I can do it also with the keyboard, just Control plus I. So I am going to make it unitalic with the keyboard, pressing Control I. This is normal text. You see? Even if I wish, I can make the sentence only italic. So everything is normal, just sentence word are italic. That's all. I will show you how you can make underline. Select that sentence, and unfortunately there has no short as like bold, italic, no way for underline. Even if I click here, here also no way. So if you want to make underline, you must have to use keyboard control. Control U. If you press Control U, it will be underlined. So I am going to make it Control plus U. You see, this is the underlined. If you want to make one word inside the sentence making underline, how you can do it? I am going to underline this, again pressing Control U, it's removing. So I want to make the sentence word underline, just selected that word and Control U, it's underlined. Perfect. If you want to make any word or sentence both bold, underlined and italic. Is it possible? I am making another sentence. This is bold, italic and underline. Same way, selecting that sentence, clicking on B, it's bold, and selected that sentence or one or two word I want to make, say italic, bold and italic want to make italic. So I selected I, and underline word or full word sentence want to make underline. Just selected that sentence, Control U, it's done. So save draft. I want to check from the front end view preview how it looks like. Okay, this is bold sentence, this is italic. I only made the sentence italic, you see. Full sentence if I make italic, and full underline. This is bold sentence, this is italic sentence, this is underlying sentence, this is bold, italic and underline. That's the way for Gutenberg block editor. Now I will show you classic editor system. For the classic editor, I am going to open same post in classic editor. Okay, this is the classic editor. So this is for bold. So I want to make this bold. How I can do it? When I am clicking here, there has no dialog box as like Gutenberg block editor, but there has a fixed box above. You see, firstly select that sentence as like Gutenberg block editor and above click B. Then your sentence will be bold. And if you want to work with the keyboard, that also work here. Like I want to make this sentence unbold, I am pressing Ctrl B on my keyboard and it's unbold. Even if I want to make one word bold, it also possible here. So it's perfect. Now I am testing for italic. Same, selecting full sentence, and above here you see pressing Ctrl I if I want to make it on keyboard, or just clicking on I. So I am clicking on I. This sentence is going to be italic. And if I want to make underline sentence, this is underline sentence. Same, here has no option as like Gutenberg block editor. So I want to use my keyboard, just Ctrl U. This is underlined. So same question, can I make a sentence bold, italic, underline all together? Yeah, I can do it. Just select that sentence, click on B above, or keyboard Ctrl B. I am pressing Ctrl B, and I want to make it italic also. So press here or Ctrl I. And for underline, obviously press Ctrl U. All done. Just save draft. You see, this is bold sentence. I just made the bold word sentence here. You see, only bold word. So showing only bold word, that bold. Full sentence is italic, this is underlined sentence, and this is the bold, italic and underlined sentence. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video. Thank you.